again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. Oh, I'm a bit zoomed in there, aren't I? So, I've had a little... Oh, did I just show you my thingy? So, I've had a little parcel turn up from Charlie's Nail Art. I've no idea what's in it. It's been a while. It's been quite a minute since I did anything from Charlie's Nail Art. Do you know what it is, though, guys? I've got everything on the website. I really struggle with a lot of local companies because I've got everything. So that's why I don't tend to do that many hauls from UK companies, because yeah, I've got everything on the websites. So shall we see what we got? Don't forget, guys, I've got a 10% off code for Charlie's Nail Art. Oh wow, look at this. A Moment to Melt Eco Soy Wax Melts, launching on the 17th of February. 15 amazing fragrances in wax bar form, or for Easter time only bunny shaped wax melts. So they're made from high quality premium soy wax, natural soybean oil. It's extremely environmentally friendly and a sustainable alternative to other varieties of wax. Clean burning, luxurious, creamy textured, high fragranced wax melts are all made from UK sourced ingredients, vegan, cruelty free, biodegradable. The fragrances are 100% natural oils, sustainable. Oh wow, this is new. I wasn't expecting that. Right, let's have a look what we got. Oh my gosh, look at this little thing. So right, so these are samples. So obviously, if you was to buy them, I would imagine they're in, you know, the bar size things. Oh, I'd much rather have these little samples. They're so cute. Right, we've got vanilla, rose, marshmallow. Ooh, marshmallow and lemon. Oh, how cute are they? I don't want to open them because they look so cute. That's good. It's got instructions and little warnings and stuff. Oh wow, look at these little buggers. I don't want to open them. I'm gonna have to, aren't I? So let's open this marshmallow one, because that's the first one I'm going for. Oh look, yeah, you can see these have come off a longer bar, and I can see this rose one is pink. This lemon one is yellow. I can see the different colours. Oh, it really does smell like marshmallow. Oh wow, look at these. I was just expecting glitter to be in there. Right, so they're on the website now then. What date are we on today? Yep, they're on the website today, actually. Today's the 17th, so go and get your wax melts, guys. Get 10% off, use my code Aggie10. Oh, that's really cute. I wonder if you could buy these samples. Like, just try one of all of them. I'm not sure. Go and have a nosy on the website, guys. I am, for sure. I like that. I like the whole... everything's sourced in the UK. It's biodegradable. They're all natural oils. Sustainable wax. I like all that. That's cute. Anyway, guys, yeah, just a quickie. I wasn't expecting that. Also, I want to say thank you to Charlie. Thank you for sending these over. I can't wait to get stuck in. But yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, guys, go and have a nosy. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Hopefully, I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.